Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we teach guide videos, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to change your AI gender on Snapchat. Before getting started, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, you'll have to check if your Snapchat is up to date or not. To check, go to your app store. Then on the search bar, type in Snapchat. After that, from the results section, tap on Snapchat. And if you see an update button on this page, tap on update, and once your app is up to date, open the app. Once you open your app, make sure you log into your account, and once you're logged in, tap on this chat icon at bottom. Then it will show your My AI on the top, tap on it. After you get to this page, on the top bar, tap on where it says My AI. Then this interface will open up. On this page, tap on where it says Customize. After you do so, you will get two options, Avatar and Outfits. Tap on Avatar. Then you'll get to choose your gender. If you tap on the first option, then it will be female, and if you tap on the second option, then it will be male. Now choose anyone that you prefer. Then you'll have to customize your AI, choose their skin tone, hair color, hairstyle, hair treatment, facial hair color, and so on. Once you go through all these options, at last tap on the save button at top right corner. Once you do that, your gender will be changed. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.